Smoke alarms are essential to protecting you and your family from fires in your homes. Properly functioning smoke alarms are there to help alert everyone to the presence of a fire and time to evacuate safely. To ensure your smoke alarms are functioning properly, test them monthly and replace the batteries at least once a year.
Lincoln, come on, go buddy! Lincoln, let's go! Get out to bed!
To help keep you and your family safe, create a fire escape plan and practice it frequently. Walk through your home and look for 2 ways out of every room. Make sure escape routes are clear of debris and doors and windows open easily. Teaching children to escape by themselves is critical in case you cannot help them. Children, older adults, and people with disabilities may need additional help exiting your home. Please consider assigning someone to assist them with their egress. Plan an outside meeting place away from your home where everyone will meet once they've escaped. Please remember, if the smoke alarm sounds, get out quickly and stay out. Don't get trapped in smoke by being a slowpoke.